Hello, I'm Lisa Griffin and I'm excited to announce that we're running classroom-based lessons in Microsoft Excel at advanced level. By the end of this Excel Advanced course, you will be able to use some of the more advanced functions in Excel, ensure correct data is entered, create pivot tables, to summarise data and use macros to help speed up repetitive processes, plus so much more. All of these topics will be covered in a one-day classroom session and I'll be there to answer any questions you may have. I've got 20 years experience delivering classroom-based training to people from a wide range of sectors, such as law firms, schools, councils, investment companies, to name but a few. Now, as an added bonus, anyone enrolled onto the classroom session will receive the online version completely free, so you can go back and check your learning and practice using the exercises. And if you feel like you want to learn everything there is to know about the Excel software, why not check out our bundle package, where you can sign up for beginners, intermediate and advanced at a discounted rate. But spaces are limited, so sign up now to avoid any disappointment. For further information, click the link above to see the full syllabus and to find out available dates and locations. I look forward to seeing you there.